Good morning. Today I would like to invite you to come and join me on Facebook where I have a weight loss support and motivation group. It's totally free and it's closed. So anything that you put in the group, if you put anything on a post, nobody will see it except the other members of the group, which we do want because we want encouragement from each other. We want to support each other and motivate each other. So if somebody's having a bad day, put a little post on, I haven't done this today, or I've just stuffed myself with a bit of cake. Put it on, get some support. We're there for each other. I'm sure you would enjoy it. It's Get Skinny with Skinny Liz. I will put a link on here, below it, above it, side somewhere for you to click. Come and join us. Like to see you there.